All right, guys, welcome back to our channel. So today, we are on the road going to the 33 road down to Y Junction. The road was recently flagged off for dualization. So we started this filming from that Onitsha library. So what you just watched earlier was Onitsha library. So the place, you can see the looks of the place, very tattered, no maintenance at all. So we are heading towards the Onitsha GRA in Onitsha North. So from there, we're gonna be bussing out at the magazine junction where the dualization will start. The last time we visited there, we give you an update that they said that the dualization first phase will start from that magazine, then down to 33 junction, then down to Y junction, the first phase of it. Then I think from there it will now start going down to somewhere like Aguleri and the rest. So today we have visited back to that location to go and give you the latest updates, because the last time we checked, they said they're gonna start the work as soon as possible, and lo and behold, they have actually started work around there currently. So what they are doing right now is that they are doing gutter construction, starting from before the magazine junction down to after 33 junction, before Mife, I will say. So that is where they are doing some gutter construction, which you're gonna be seeing in this our videos. So just sit back, relax, and watch everything. Though I will be honest, what I'm seeing right now, the type of construction I'm seeing, and the people that are available on that site, looks like local construction company, majorly. So we are just waiting. I hope it will not looks like what you have from Amobia to Oga. That kind of construction should not be seen elsewhere in Anambra State. It is very, very local, and no, there's no durability at all. So they should change, pattern when they are dealing with this place, because I can tell you, motorists apply on this particular road almost every blessed day. Like, the road does not rest. So they should be careful here. So one thing I noticed here is that around this place that you are watching right now, there's one big fence around here which was marked when they were, texting everything, checking the spaces the dualization we take. So the some of the places were marked, but right now, those places that were marked did no longer come in. Like, they did not touch it again. They just like give a little space and then start the gutter dualization. So they did not touch so many places. A lot of things that I thought will be demolished along this path, we are not touched at all. The only thing that was touched, along this road down to that Y junction, where something like shanties, all those kiosks along the road were largely affected. But most, like main buildings, all the main buildings are along this road. We are not touched at all. None of them we are touched. I'll be honest. You can see the size. This is the drainage system from here. You can see the other side. Even merely looking at it, it's as if the thing is not even wide enough to even demarcate it. So I'm just suspecting if they will still demarcate the road, or they just want to widen it, and leave the road that like that. So that is what I'm seeing here. But we just keep watching until the whole thing keeps unfolding. So the other side of it, you can see that they are partially completed the drainage system around there, while here they are still working on them. So this drainage construction right now ended around the before Mife, like I said earlier. Then after that, before Mife and after Mife to Y Junction, nothing is currently going on around that place. So they are started from magazine junction down to 33 junction. That is where you will see like where they are currently working right now. So just to watch and see everything for yourself. When I'm coming back also, I will go a little bit closer to the drainage system, so you see things for yourself. So this is 33 Junction. You can see the roundabout. The previous time we visited here, we showed you clearer view of that particular place, and honestly the look of that place is very very bad. People are just dumping refuse along that at the circle of that roundabout, which is very very not okay. I thought the other road I showed you in my previous video, that the other road is heading to Nsugbe College of Education, and right now we are going towards the Y Junction axis. You can see here this side has not gotten anything at all. They have not started work yet on this side. Then the other side, they are currently working on them. At some point, the the gutter construction will stop. Then I think around that Unife axis down to Y Junction, that is where you will stop seeing the gutter construction or anything. So currently nothing is going on within this axis, like this side, nothing is going on at all except the other side. So for me, if I'm to rate the fastness since the last time we visited here, and when I heard that they have flag of the walk, I will say maybe they are a bit faster when it comes to the gutter construction. But all I'm keep saying is let this road be durable, let the stone base be something that you can look at, and you know that yes, something is happening. Let it not be like what we used to have before. Honestly, at least let the 20 years they are promising us in all the road be 20 years and not 20 divided by not 20 divided by 4 or 5, giving us letters 4 years. That is what we are seeing. So around here you can see that nothing is going on at all here. So everything here is just the way it used to be before. So nothing has started around here, and very soon we will get to the Y junction. Inside that at that Y junction, one of it is heading to Nkwere junction, then the other one is heading to, I think, Aguleri. This is it. This one is going to Nkwere Junction. If you take this one, you start heading to Nkwere Junction. Then take the other one going down. You will head to this particular one. You head to, I think, Aguleri on Subwe axis. Then this one is where we are coming from. So this is the clearer view of it. This one will take you to the Aguleri side, Aguleri side. Then turn around. This is the one that that is taking you to, I think you can see it clearly here, because this place is hilly. It's taking you to Nkwere, and this is where we are coming from. So now we are going back. You will now see the clearer view of the of the gutter construction from this side. We showed you the other side when we are coming. Right now we are going back. You're gonna be seeing a clearer view of the gutter construction from here. So you can see that all these axes, nothing is going on like you see before. So after Omife, then you start seeing the construction down to the 33 junction, and after 33 junction. So this is it. You can see it. These are around after the 33 before the 33 junction and after the 33 junction. And you also see the ones after I think after the housing gate also. Then now see a clearer view of that Aran magazine, what they are doing there. They have not touched, along that road you will see what is it called, bridge over there. So that bridge, they have not touched it at all. They have not did anything on that bridge side. So here the drainage system is partially completed, the one we just showed you. So guys, this is where we're gonna be ending the video for now. If you have anything to talk about concerning the route, kindly drop them via our comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, click on the like button, share the video to get to wider audience. Thank you guys for always supporting, and do have a wonderful day till we meet again on our next update.